everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lily Chen. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, how to travel safely during this COVID era in the airport. And right now I'm self-quarantined in Taiwan, so I would like to introduce you how to use the special quarantine package that the Taiwanese government provided to have a healthy, balanced eating. Right now, during COVID-19, the airport is really empty. Everyone can look at the picture that I took in LAX International. There are not too many people flying or check in, but I really appreciate that airplane company is still flying, so I will be able to travel from LAX to Taipei. And by the time I get to Taipei, there are not too many people in the airport either. It's very empty, and I'm very lucky to be able to travel to Taiwan at this time. And when I travel, the protection gear I use is those sort of like glasses, eyeglasses, protective gear. Especially these have shields, very easy and cheap and very helpful. And plus my mask. Right now, let's check out Taipei city government provides the self-quarantine package.
14 medical masks, 4 large bags for garbage pickup, 1 coupon for 30 days free trial on cell phone to watch news and read a magazine online. In addition, 2 bags of instant noodles, 1 bag of white rice, 1 can of roasted eel, mackerel, tuna fish, baked bean, cream of mushroom soup, green giant sweet corn, and a bottle of preserved bamboo shoot.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, balanced breakfast by using one of the tuna can from the self-quarantine package to make a healthy tuna cucumber sandwich for my breakfast. Today's ingredients including 2 pieces of whole wheat toast and 2 cucumbers and some mayonnaise, and the most importantly is the tuna fish can from the self-care package that Taiwanese government provides for self-quarantine. I slice the cucumber, and I normally use up to 2 pieces of cucumber, because this way you have enough for the quantity of the vegetables. Now we can open the tuna fish can that government provides, and once I open it, I already put the tuna fish into this bowl. I mean, I don't know where you can see it because its base is oil based, so it's actually very oily. So by the time we do the sandwich, we might want to screen out the oil first, so then the sandwich will not be so greasy. Now we're going to make the tuna cucumber sandwich. First of all, I have the 2 pieces of whole wheat toast, and I already put in the oven to toast it a little bit. And then we use the tuna fish, because this tuna fish came with oil base, so we don't want to use too many mayonnaise. And if you like to have a little more taste to make the bread more moist, then you can use the mayonnaise and put on the top of the toast. Right now, we're going to put the cucumber on top of your sandwiches. watching my film. I hope today's tuna cucumber sandwich can give you some inspiration of making a great breakfast at healthy balanced eating. And in fact, it's really tasty sandwich because by the time I finished filming, I couldn't wait until the next shot. I already finished eating the sandwich. Anyway, if you like my film, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a support. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time. I will show you how to eat healthy in Taiwan. Thanks, bye!